Hello, viewers. Today's our topic of discussion is, can intelligent mind solve all problems in life? Up till now, we have learned that intelligence can solve our big puzzles, then questions, queries in studies. Today we see that intelligence can solve other problems like social, economic, religious, financial, all the problems. What are the problems that comes in life? Can intelligence solve all these problems? Can intelligence through good solution for all these problems we will deal in this video? Let's start now. Yes, it is a universal truth fact that God has given man the most rare gift of intelligence, by virtue of which man could overpower all the extra mighty creatures and himself dominated the whole earth by becoming the master of all. Because of intelligence alone, man transformed himself from wild stage to today's supernormal mechanized state. He had controlled his internal nature with the help of spiritual science, and external nature by material science, that is physics or physical science. He kept on discovering and inventing new technical methodologies by the influence of which he understood human biological nature from microcosm to macrocosm, and thus established medical science for the benefit of mankind. There has not left a single arena in this vast universe where man has not exercised his intelligence, did its detailed study, explored its mysteries, and made its condition favorable and supportive to him. Thus, it was only due to intelligence man had proved himself distinct from other earthly creatures. His intellectual power has got that much intensity, sharpness, and virtuosity that if it is centralized or focused on any problem and use special time to inspect its causative factors, and once the determining factors behind problem are revealed, then man can employ this intelligence to find sensible solution over it through perseverance, contemplation over the fact, and introspection. Man has created different theses over every problem and established an innovative outlook and approach to deal with it. Thus, intelligence is the only sharp tool or instrument which, if he applied to solve any problem, then it may be household, social, or an integral, it gives us important clues or characteristic features with the help of which one can reach to considerate conclusion or scientific inference, which gives us total, aggregate, significant information of the concerned issue. With the help of this invented knowledge, if we employ it on right time, on right thing, then all problems are solved within moment. Means, I want to say final opinion that there is not any problem existing in this universe which our intelligent mind cannot solve. All the answers are revealed if we knock the problem at proper, delicate place at proper right time, because intelligence is such a mighty force that it can reveal all the mysteries that are hidden in nature. Thank you.